Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Virgin routers flashing red. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now if you're having problems with your Virgin router here and you're seeing a flashing red light here, there's a few things that you can do to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do here is you might want to check the cables they have on your router. So sometimes you might have some form of damaged cable, so that's why you're getting that blinking or flashing red light. So make sure all your cords or your Ethernet cables here are properly, or in this case, are in good condition. So if you do some nuts or if you see some bends or with precision, you might want to replace that Ethernet cable or your cords and basically see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue and you also notice that your router is pretty hot, so if you notice that it's really hot and it's not working properly, well, in most cases, it means that your router is overheating. So if that's the case, it will also start flashing red here. So it is recommended that you turn off your router immediately to prevent it from being further being damaged. So it's going to receive some form of damage if it's overheating. So turn it off and wait for around like 15 to 20 minutes. And once the time is up, you can go ahead and make sure that it's actually properly cooled down and see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't work, the next and last thing that we can do here is to reset your router. So in this case, usually at the back, you should be able to see a reset pinhole here. So you could use a pen or any pen that you have right there and just press that reset pinhole for about a few seconds. Now, once you've actually reset your router here, you can go ahead and start it and you can set it up again and see if that solves the issue. Now, if none of those work, it means most likely your router is broken. So you might want to contact Virgin here and basically get another one if needed. So you can call them on the appropriate hotlines if needed. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.